Guys, I'm Abeer Rao. Welcome back to my channel, Codemy, and today I'll be sharing with you a new password generator which I've built, this time using Python because the one which I built with JavaScript was not working for some reason. So here we are with Python. Okay, let's see the code. Here we have the imports. We're importing random, paperclip, and string. So this is the first function, get random string. We have the letters, 26 letters in the English alphabet, and then the resultant string is just a letter of the English alphabet. It can be lower or uppercase, and then we're returning it. Next we have the get random number function, and this is basically a random integer between 0 and 10. Then we're returning it. Get random character, I have a list here of characters allowed, and we have the quotation marks, pipe, angular brackets, parentheses, square brackets, curly brackets, comma, period, slash, question mark, backtick, and this squiggly thing. And then we're just getting a random dot choice, random one of these, either one of these, and then we are returning them. So this is the main function, generate password. So we have this result password, which is an empty string, and then we're asking how many digits. So we're asking the user how many digits do you want to generate a password. So then we have this random sequence, SEL. This random sequence, what it does, it randomizes when we are calling this or this function, right? Because we all don't want it to always return string, number, character, or character, number, string. We want it to be completely randomized. That's why on one iteration it may go string, character, number, but on the other it may go number, character, string. That's the SEL. Then we're running a for loop, 4-digit in range of digits. The digits that we got was this one. And then thing, which a variable named thing, is the random dot choice of SEL. So 1, 2, or 3, and if it is 1, then we append a random character. If it's 2, then we append a random number, and if it's 3, we append a random string to our this result password. And we're doing this for the number of digits which the user wanted. Okay, and then we're asking, is the password okay? We're printing this out, and POK, password okay, is the other password okay, yes or no. And if it is, then we're copying it to the clipboard, and we're saying password copy to the clipboard. If it is not, then we're using recursion, calling this function again. So here's the normal function call, and let me show you by running it. So if I do python main.py, how long do you want to generate a password? I want a 10-digit password. It gives me this. Is the above password okay? No, it's not. Let's say I want 20. See, it's completely random. Nope. If I was say 50, okay, okay, let's say I want, yes, I want this password, yes, and then password copy to the clipboard. Okay, and if I command V paste it, you can see it's the exact same one which we agreed to. It's this one right over here, and I'll just run this once again for you guys. Python main.py. Let's say we want a 100-digit password. Okay, 100 digits of passwords. Okay, yes, and then we have copied it, pasted in, is the exact same thing. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you are brand new and haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel to keep receiving coding videos like this one, and also educational coding videos like the Python crash course which I have. Check it out, the crash course 2.0 coming out at the end of the year. Stay tuned for that. And the code for this and some other of my projects can be found on my GitHub. I'll leave a link down in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.